Today I will do the unboxing and review of this Boya BY M1 Lavalier microphone which we have here. For the features, we have clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. Talking about video making, we all know that audio is a very important aspect of making videos, so I decided to make a research about the low budget lavalier microphones that are available on the market. So I got to know Boya BY M1 lavalier microphone. This microphone is really nice and it has been recommended by most famous YouTubers, so that's why today I'm going to check out what this stuff is made of. Without further ado, let's unbox this beautiful mic. The box comes with the user's manual and the warranty card. And then there's this nice little pouch Boya on the top. It contains the microphone. The microphone features a 6-meter cable which is 20-inch equivalent, and there is this power pack which has the battery. The power pack is used to switch between camera mode and smartphone mode. The make of the mic is actually what you should expect from a low budget cheap mic like this one. Although the power pack is made of metal, the wires are regular rubber, but it's actually nice too. Let's check what else is in this pouch. Here we have the foam windscreen that protects the mic from unwanted noises, and we have a clip used in attaching the mic to our cloth. This is the adapter which is used to connect the mic to another device, and right now I'm talking through my phone mic, so what I'll do is I'll plug this microphone to the phone and I'll test it so that you can hear and know what it sounds like. Now I'm talking through the microphone, and as you can see, the sound is better and the noise is reduced. So if you are going into video making and you have a low budget, I highly recommend this microphone. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.